Hello, and welcome to your packing list introduction. This video will answer the following questions. What is the packing list? How will I receive access? What is found in the packing list? And how do I use the packing list? So, what is the packing list? The packing list is your central hub to know what materials you are receiving in your shipments. The packing list is made through Google Sheets, and you will have one packing list for all your shipments for one season. How will you receive access to your packing list? With each shipment, you will receive an email that includes tracking and other pertinent information. This email will also include the link to your packing list. Once you click the link, the packing list should open in a new window. If you receive a window that says you do not have access, click Request Access, and your Springboard representative will correct that as soon as they are able. What is found in and how to use the packing list will be better explained by seeing the packing list. Let's take a look at one now. Here is a packing list. You're going to find 2 to 4 tabs in your packing list. You'll see them down here at the bottom. Past or future shipment tabs may be hidden to avoid confusion, but you'll always see at least 2 tabs. First is the shipping information page. Right here, you'll see the school information, the shipping and receiving contact information, and information about the number of students, teachers, and staff who are going to be working for Springboard at your site. You'll also see some information about the sales order. You can disregard that. That is for our warehouse teams. But if any of the school, receiving, or amounts look incorrect, reach out to your program manager as soon as possible so that that can be corrected. Now, on to the material tabs. Depending on which kits are a part of your programming experience, you will find one or more of the following tabs: PD materials or professional development, Ready Week materials, and incentives. Why don't we take a closer look now at the Ready Week tab? Here we see a warehouse complete packing list. Let me walk you through some things you see on here, starting from top to bottom. The top includes the school name and the material shipment type. There's a book distribution guide. This is for the Springboard team to ensure they are sending you the correct amount of books. The other green headlines are for material type. With any books that you may be receiving, you will also see a note about what to expect in the box. At the bottom, you will see the total number of boxes you can expect, who packed the box, and who quality checked the box. Let's move across the columns. Columns A through G and column J are not editable, but they contain valuable information. Columns A and B are the items. What are the actual things you are receiving in this shipment? Column C is the quantity. How many will you receive? Column D is the box number. This is which box the item is actually coming in. For example, we see that the workshop reminder wristbands for Shire Elementary are arriving in box number 6, and their staff t-shirts will also be in box number 6. Column E is the warehouse. This is where your items are coming from. WC is the West Coast. EC is the East Coast. Columns F and G are packed and shipped. Did we actually pack them? Did we actually ship them? Finally, column J are notes that our warehouse crew may place here as they prepare for shipments. These are not necessarily important for you and typically contain information about the weight of the box or pallet information. Now, what do you do in the packing list? Columns H and I are for you. Column H is the received column, and you have three choices for the toggle. You have yes, no, and partial. Yes, I received the material. No, I did not receive the material. Partial. I only received some of what I was supposed to get. Column I are for partner notes. If you mark partial, this is where you would write what you are missing. For example, maybe we did not receive both of our read aloud A's. I would mark partial, and in the partner notes, I would type received box 2 only. Or perhaps I counted my t-shirts and I only received 20 instead of 24. Received 20. There we are. You will do this for every material type, toggling yes, no, or partial, and marking what is needed in the partner notes. Now, what do you do if you are missing materials? Well, if your program has a Springboard Operations Manager, reach out directly to them and let them know that you have filled out your packing list and you are missing items. They will work across the partnership and with Springboard to locate materials you need quickly. If your program does not have a Springboard Operations Manager, reach out to your Springboard point of contact. It may be a program director, coach, or project manager, and let them know that you have filled out your packing list and you are missing items. And they will work to make sure you have what you are missing as quick as they are able. Thank you for joining me in this packing list introduction. Good luck unpacking your boxes and have an excellent program.